What's up guys, Matt here coming at you with a super quick video. So a lot of us have both of these trucks, right? We have like the SCX24, now we've picked up the FCX24, and you guys know like these controllers can get out of hand. You have them everywhere. You know, I have probably 20 of these things around, mostly V1, but I have like 3 or 4 V2s now. And I made a video a long time ago just showing how you can run all of your SCX24s on one. So you can put all your extra ones up if you're the only one ever running these, and just bind it every time and you're good to go. Now that just works V1 to V1, V2 to V2. You can't cross them, they won't work. But you know, now we've got this with the FCX24, and this is super compact and it's a lot easier to take with you places. Now it's not as good a feel, but if you're on the go and you're just trying to throw this in a backpack or something, I mean, this thing super small. Or if you're just like clipping it on a bag and taking it with you as an extra, it's quite a bit smaller than this one. So we're gonna get to this. So you guys know this is the V2 ESC. It's running on this transmitter right now. So we've got our steering reversed, throttle reversed. All right, so there's that. All right, but what if you just don't want to take this big thing with you, right? Hold your bind button, turn this thing on, flip your switch, give it a minute, you'll see it flash, and then it goes solid. Now, I did have to switch my steering and throttle. They were reversed, but look at that. That is awesome. And throttle's good. Your channel 3, yeah, sorry, channel 3 works your lights now. So you're off, on, flashing, just like this, right? So that's awesome. We don't have to take this with us, or we can just, you know, put it up, and if we're switching back and forth, just use one controller. This is a little easier to one-hand drive for most people. Maybe we'll see if these wheels will change out. Why even wait? Let's just see if they'll work. I got a 2.0 here somewhere. 2.5 maybe, yeah. Look at that. So now we have a foam wheel. Nice and easy to one-hand drive. Much better than this plastic thing. Unbelievable. I just figured that out right now, guys. Didn't even know that was an option. All right, so that is awesome. I'm putting this up, Jack. All right, put this in bind mode. We'll bind up to this. Now the thing about this ESC is, and you'll have to switch your steering and throttle back. The thing about this receiver ESC is it basically, once you bind it back to here, you don't have to reset any of your endpoints. Your transmission shifting still works the same. Look, I even have neutral, low, high. So it all works fine. You don't have to reset anything. And then, you know, you still have all your everything. But what I was curious about, let's see now, if we go bind to this, I'm sure we're gonna have to turn around and bind right back to that. But let's bind this up. All right, so we're working. Now let's just turn it off, back on. Yeah, so you just have to bind it every time you go to use it. So just hold the bind button, turn it on. It'll flash. That'll flash a couple times, then it'll go solid and you're set. Everything still works like it did. Lights, everything. So that is sweet. What about the other way, right? What if you want to use this with this. It works somewhat. So hold your bind, flip it on, turn this thing on, and we're working. We don't have a steering wheel, but we're there. You have to, again, reverse. Guess I should put a screw in that. Throttle's backwards also, so that works. And your transmission works. That's unreal. We got high, shift it, we're in low. So it works both ways. Now, the only thing with that is I hate you. You don't have your adjustments for your drag braking stuff. I don't know how to work that on here. Everything I've tried, it don't work. And the lights, for some reason, do not work. I've tried holding, I've tried pressing, I've tried double pressing, I did it all. So it's kind of weird that it don't work, but you know, I like the feel of this, and I was kind of excited this would work with this truck. But I don't know. The fact that this works with them both is pretty sweet, because this thing's so small, it's nice to take with you. So I don't know, what do you guys think? It's a pretty cool find, I think. I was excited about it. Opens up a few options for everybody. I've been trying like crazy to bind this thing up to my Noble and the G7P. I have it here. It actually has a setting for two-way, for or I'm sorry, not two-way, but for an RX ESC all-in-one, but it won't bind. I can't get it to bind, so I don't know. But I thought I'd try these two, and it worked. So you guys let me know what you think. I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell so you get notified when I post these kind of videos, because it might be something you need. Peace.